वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at Ang 461 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. आसा महल्ला पंजवा दिन रात कमायड़ो so आयो माथे, which means those actions you perform day and night are recorded upon your forehead. Guruji further says, Jis paas lokaindaro, so vekhi sathe, which means, and the one from whom you hide these actions, he sees them and is always with you. We often live as if no one is watching us. We think this is my personal matter, my private habit, my little lie. We assume that what's unseen is safe. But this Hukamnama shakes us awake, saying that every thought, word and deed is etched into the very energy you carry. Recorded on your forehead doesn't mean some cosmic diary up there in the skies. It means your actions become your face, your vibration, your destiny. You can't hide who you are becoming. Every choice writes a line on your life script. And in the second verse, Guruji says, the one from whom you hide, he sees, he is with you. Now what's being said here, it's not a threat of punishment. It's the invitation to authenticity. The divine doesn't spy on you. The divine is you, watching from within. You can't hide from your own truth. Now think of society, how much pretending we do. People bow to rituals they don't believe in. They spend fortunes on customs that bring them no peace. They run after trends, titles and traditions, hoping others will approve. But deep down, the heart knows this is not me. We keep living borrowed lives thinking we are hiding from God. But in reality, we are only hiding from ourselves. This Hukamnama breaks that illusion. It says, stop acting for the world's applause. Stop living by borrowed beliefs. The one who truly matters is right here, within you, already seeing, already knowing. When you realize this, something miraculous happens. You become free. Free from guilt, free from pretense, free from the heavy weight of social expectations. Your every act then becomes sacred, not because it's religious, but because it is real. You start to see no ritual can make you pure if your heart is cluttered. No temple, gurdwara or any holy place can bring you peace if your intentions are crooked. And no society can truly bless you if you have abandoned your inner truth. So, the Hukamnama is not about fear. It is about freedom through awareness. It says, live as if the divine walks beside you, because he does. Speak as if your soul is listening, because it is. Do what you would do if no one could ever see, because actually the one who truly sees is never absent. Now let's turn this into practice. Here's your one ontological assignment, one powerful exercise to awaken the Hukamnama in your daily life. So today, pick one area of your life. One area, maybe your health, maybe your family, relationships, your finances, or any other area which is important to you. So one area of your life where you are pretending. Maybe You are showing something outwardly but feeling something inwardly. Pause. Look at it directly. Then you ask yourself, what I am trying to hide? From whom am I hiding it? What would my next action look like if I lived from truth rather than fear or doubt? Then simply take one small action aligned with truth. It could be speaking honestly, refusing a meaningless custom, or dropping one fake smile. That one act of awareness will liberate you more than 100 rituals ever can. And as someone beautifully said, liberation is not a reward for your behavior. It is your natural state when pretense ends. I repeat, liberation is not a reward for your behavior. It is your natural state when pretense ends. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, Sarbat Da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.